Best summer outfit ideas for men. Our outfit number 1. White t-shirt with gray pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 2. Black shirt with brown pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 3. White t-shirt with black pant and brown loafers. Outfit number 4. Black t-shirt with black pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 5. Sky blue shirt with black pant and black loafers. Outfit number 6. White t-shirt with black pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 7. White polo t-shirt with blue jeans and brown loafers. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you.